Hey coders, Happy New Year! 2023 is now officially in the rearview mirror, and really we made it through some wild debugging sessions. But now a fresh year stretches before us like a blank code editor, ready to be filled with your epic projects. So grab your cup of coffee and let's map out your 2024 coding journey to make this year more efficient. Let's at first see what language you should learn this year. I'm gonna show you top 5 programming languages to level up your game. Number 1 is Python, still the undisputed king of versatility. Python's easy syntax and vast libraries make it perfect for everything from web developer to data science. Imagine conquering AI and building websites all before lunch. Number 2 is JavaScript. The reigning monarch of the web, JavaScript is not going anywhere. Master it and you will be the puppet master behind those fancy interactive websites and snazzy mobile apps. Think of those dynamic interfaces and smooth animations and you will be the one building them. Number 3 is Go. This rising star is lightweight, fast, and perfect for building backend systems and cloud applications. Learn Go and you'll be the invisible force powering the next big thing, announcing I built this in the digital world. Number 4 is Java, the boss of OOP, Object Oriented Programming. Java is still a powerhouse of enterprise applications and development and more. Its rock-solid stability and massive community make it a wise investment for any coder's toolkit. Number 5 is C. Want to understand the core of computing? Dive into C, the language that gave birth to countless others. It's like learning the alphabets of coding, giving you a deeper understanding of how things work. Now let's choose your coding career path. With your language selected, it's time to pick your battlefield. Web development, data science, or mobile apps. The possibilities are as endless as a while loop stuck on true. Here's the magic trick. Focus on your passions. Are you obsessed with beautiful interfaces? Web development might be your calling. Or do you dream of making tons of mountains of data? Dive into your data science. Or are you the mobile app whisperer? Build the next blockbuster on your phone. Remember, nothing can be built in a day. So make your coding journey a marathon, not a sprint. Here's a roadmap to keep you motivated. Step 1 is to set smart goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Don't just say, be a better coder. Say, take 3 online courses and build a small app by June. Step 2 is to join a community. Find a tribe in online forums, Discord groups, or local meetups. Surround yourself with fellow coders who will cheer you up and help you debug. Need a starting point? I've got a special invite for you. Join our awesome Discord server where you can connect with other coders, share ideas, ask questions, and maybe even you find your next coding partner in crime. Next step is to never stop learning. Coding is a constant evolution. Embrace new trends, take workshops, and do experiments. So, my fellow coders, let's make 2024 the year we level up. Remember, every line of code is a brushstroke on the canvas of the future. Let's create something beautiful, something impactful, something that makes the digital world sing. Happy coding and Happy New Year.